Welcome back to the Uganda Unity TV. Here we are doing a fact check on a TikTok video circulating from creator Thorne horses. In her clip, she claims a viral post showing leaked vote tallies from the UN Security Council's second straw poll for Secretary General, specifically regarding Ugandan candidate Ambassador Olara Otunnu, are 100% fake or generated by ChatGPT. Our reasoning is that because the UN holds these straw polls in secret and never publishes official vote tallies on its public website, any numbers circulating online must be made up. Hear from her.
Good afternoon, Uganda. So there is a post that Olara Otunnu will be rejected as Secretary General for the United Nations. In fact, they posted how some of the voting had gone in the second ballot, and I'm going to show you. Now, as you can see here, it says results of Security Council straw, the second one, and where you see it says Otunnu, he's been rejected. Now, where the person saw or even received this post is probably fake too, just like other things that someone had posted. The Secretary General is a high-level position, and the United Nations does not post how they vote and who they voted for. So this is obviously another fake post. Fake, made probably from Instagram or some other platform, X or ChatGPT, because this is not how it is. Nobody posts who got what votes. The United Nations does not post any of these things. It is done in secret. It's like saying when they vote for the Pope in the Conclave that it shows the results of how they voted, and that is simply not the case. That is in secret too, very secret. In fact, when they vote for the Pope, all of those ballots get burned. These things are also in secret. They go to a site where it's locked up. It is not posted anywhere. So why this person would even post this, I don't know. But again, it is not true, and so hopefully Olara Otunnu gets in, and yeah, that's all I have for today. For right now, if I have anything else to post, I shall return. For now, that's it, Uganda.
Well, Thorne is correct that the United Nations Security Council does not issue public press releases with ballot tallies. Our conclusion that leaked numbers are fake is entirely wrong. In international journalism, confidential UN straw poll numbers are routinely leaked by council delegates to reporters immediately after voting ends, as documented by tracking outlets like Security Council report. President of the Security Council, Ambassador Olara Otunnu, personally acknowledged his official second round straw poll tally. 5 encouraged, 5 discouraged, and 5 no opinion votes via a public statement with details widely reported across news organizations including Kamwokya Times and UG Diplomat. Council members and diplomatic staff instantly passed these breakdowns to UN beat correspondents. Comparing the UN Security Council straw poll to the Papal Conclave ignores decades of standard diplomatic press coverage. The social media graphics showing Otunnu's vote breakdown are not fake news, they are verified reporting. Keep asking tough questions about online content, but remember to verify with accredited news outlets before dismissing authentic journalism, and that one goes straight to Mrs. Thorne. Thank you.